Hello people of YouTube and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about hair. Yeah, so I bought some hair and I figured I would share my little haul with you guys because I'm just like really excited about getting it because whew, you know, you never know if things are going to come up the way you wanted to. And I bought hair last year and this woman took my money and never sent the hair and I was just really upset. So obviously I do not use her anymore. Well, I guess that was my I was trying to use her, but I can't because it don't come. But it's fine. So if you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe. If you don't like the video, please like, comment and subscribe. Anyway, it'll make me super happy and it will not hurt you. So please enjoy the video. Okay, getting right into it. I bought hair from this Facebook group I saw on Facebook, ShowBeauty Virgin Hair, and I have to say I was skeptical at the beginning because it's like, will the hair come back to me? Nah. But like, it did come, and shame. The lady who like does the whole thing, her name's Gina or Dina. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'll just put it here somewhere so you can see what I'm about. I know I suck, but the lady who I got the hair from, she's so nice. Like so nice, and she takes care of the customs for you. She will call like the delivery people constantly to make sure that you do get your hair, because my hair arrived within like, you know, the 5 to 7 days that she says, and then the people who had it, the delivery people, they just weren't bringing it, and they were like, oh, we can come get it. And I was like, what car, you know, because so she pestered them until they brought it, and then they brought it, and I know, whatever. But so this thing came in like, so this was inside like a white packaging thingy with like, it was like a thickish packaging, I guess, to protect it or something, and then that came inside like a yellow one as well, so like it was proper frigging packaged. I bought this on special. I got 3 bundles 20-inch with an 18-inch 360 closure. The hair is Brazilian and grade 9A according to Gina. There is like a WhatsApp group you can join. I will leave the link for that in the description bar if you're interested, or I'll leave the link to like either that or the Facebook. Probably the Facebook, because I think you can get the link for the group itself through that, so that should be fine. In like this little like a plastic thing that you can like open and close. Honest to God, it smells like a factory, which is to be expected, but they do say that you should co-wash it before you use it for anything, which I understand now because yeah, it doesn't smell the greatest, but it feels great. This is what the hair looks like. Guys, it's so nice, and it's like so silky and smooth, and it makes me happy because I'm gonna make a wig. I don't know if you guys want to see that or not. I'll probably record it, and depending on what it looks like, I guess that will dictate whether it goes up, or if you guys just want to see it, then like say so and I'll upload it. But yeah, the hair is so nice. I got color natural, whatever that's supposed to be. It's, yeah, it's a match for mine, which is like a little bit brownish. I guess you can't really see that in here with the light I have. I've kind of just commandeered my sister's bedroom because she has like much better natural light than I do, and I have yet to get myself a ring light because they're expensive. Like, oh my God, I've never in my life been so shook as I was when I was looking at like the pricing, and I was like, mass, you don't even have like a proper camera yet. Like, yeah, so I kind of am ignoring that need for now. So if the lights keep changing and stuff, it's because the sun is doing whatever it's doing out there. So, but hair stunning. You get 3 bundles of this. I got mine on special. Guys, your girl is going to be living another life. I mean, look at this length. This length is great. You know, moving on from my overexcitement and stuff, it really is like really nice. It feels great. It smells horrible, but it feels great. It's double wefted. I don't know if you guys can see that. Just bring us closer. Yep, there we go. You've got like a double wefting going on, which I really like, because I once got like this other one that was like single wefted and it shed so much, and I could not salvage it. I could not use it again. It died and I had to throw it away, and I was like, oh well, that's nice. Obviously not nice, but you know what I mean. So I'm very happy with the fact that it's double wefted. You get this though. This is the 360 closure. It is 18 inches. I'm very impressed with like the quality and stuff, because obviously this wasn't what I was expecting. It's great. I am a big fan of Gina now. She's my favorite right now, so happiness. But yep, it's a 360. This is what the front of it looks like, and this is what the back of it looks like. And then you can see the inside, where in my opinion there's a decent amount of hair here that you can do like proper nice partings and that like hair up hair down thing that people like to do. And what I really liked about this 360 was the fact that they put in, I don't know if, yeah, there you go, this adjustable thing at the back, so when I make the wig I don't have to go and add in like an elastic strap, because I've never made a wig before and I don't know where exactly one puts the elastic strap. According to all the YouTube videos I have watched though, you put it like behind the ear thingy. But I don't know, I think I prefer this thing. Like this one has one of these, and I just used like Got To Be Glued the gel, and I popped it on. I did this like yesterday. It's been sitting really nicely for like the past 2 days, so I'm really happy. I think I need to sort of, you know, get like a curl cream or something to get the curls to stay, because they look beautiful when they're wet, and then they just and like no, can't do it, won't do it. But carrying on with my little situation, they went and they made with the 360, they've done like, I don't know if you guys can see that. I should have brought the mannequin head. Oh well. But yeah, there we go. See that? They've gone and like sort of customized the hairline a little bit for you. So you've got like your baby hairs in the front and stuff, which I think is really nice, because I don't know how to cut baby hairs. I'm not so great. Yeah, I'm not great, clearly. So I'm sure this is like gargantuan. I don't know what happened, but it's whatever. I had to tell people how happy I am, because I think my family's tired of listening to me go on and on about the new hair I bought. So they also, when you buy the hair, they give you like little gifts inside this baggie. They gave me 2 false lashes. These are hella dramatic, and I'm not sure if I can use them, if I will use them. I mean, maybe, hey, we'll give it a go and then I can decide whether. But like, honest, I don't really need the lashes. The thing that's like a little sort of hair care whatnot, it explains to you like the difference between, I guess, their hair and other hair, and like what effect, like if you're trying to get like an effect of, it says here the length effect, because you know in like the straight and the curly, they tend to measure how long the hair is based on what it looks like stretched. Okay, so because of that, they've gone and done this, and then on the inside here, sorry, we'll start slowly. Here they show you like the recommended wash thing, which I think is totally valid, because the first clip-in extensions I ever got myself, I washed them like I was washing laundry. Needless to say, I killed the hair. It cannot be used. I could not detangle it. It was an absolute mess. I had to chuck it. I was not impressed, but you know, you live and you learn, and now I know that this guy's This is not how you do it. It's not what you want. It's not going to do you any good. You're just going to be very, very sad and sore because, shoo. But yeah. Do's and don'ts about the hair, how to treat it, what to do. And they give you like a little place where you can scan and rate them if you want to. Like, I mean, nobody's going to make you. I mean, how they going to make you? We far away. But, okay. So with the hair, it comes, like, you order through ShowBeauty Virgin Hair, and you pay into the account, you send the proof of payment, and she puts the order through. She'll give you the tracking number, like the very next day she'll tell you what is coming through so you know what you're tracking. Mine was done through DHL, and she was so wonderful. She did, like, she pays for the, she sorts out customs. I don't know what she does, how she does it, but like, you don't have to stress about customs. She will make sure that hair comes to you, which I think was nice, because I think a lot of stuff I've gotten off of eBay probably hasn't come through because of customs, and I'm not entirely sure how customs works. I should probably Google that and maybe give them a call, see if anything's in holding that to pay. But yeah, such greatness, such happiness, but it feels great, guys. I would definitely recommend hitting her up and maybe just chatting to her, like see if you are interested in getting the hair or not. You get it like within like a week or two tops. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you liked it, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you did not, please like, comment, and subscribe anyways. Please feel free to follow me on my social medias. Hit the notification bell because apparently that is something that needs to be done. I don't know, but yeah, let me know what you guys think of the video in the comments. Please interact with me. Hit me up on like Instagram, on, I guess I don't really use Twitter, but you can do that too, Snapchat, whatever. Help you girl. Tell me what I need to be editing, changing, fixing, what you like, what you'd like me to try, see, whatever. Thanks, guys.